Tell me about yourself. 4 words that can make your mind go completely blank. But by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say and you'll sound confident doing it. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Miss English Daily, where we turn English learning into your daily habit. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Great to be here with you.
Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're here regularly with tips that actually work and you don't want to miss them.
And give us a like if you're ready to never freeze up on this question again.
All right, Mike, I have to ask you something.
Uh-oh, what?
Tell me about yourself.
Are you interviewing me right now?
Kind of. See, this is what happens. Someone asks the simple question and suddenly your brain is like nothing, empty.
That's so true. It's like, what do you want to know? Everything about me or just my name?
Exactly. And that's what we're fixing today. So, Mike, let's practice. I'll ask you, and you answer. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Hi, nice to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
Hi, nice to meet you too. My name is Mike, M-I-K-E.
Nice name. Where are you from, Mike?
I'm from the United States, a small town in California.
California. Very cool. Do you still live there?
No, I moved. I live in New York now.
Oh, wow, New York. That's a big change from a small town.
Yes, very different, but I like it. It's exciting.
I bet. Okay, so we just did 3 things. Did you notice?
We did name, where I'm from, and where I live now.
Exactly. 3 simple things, and already we're having a conversation. See, it's not scary.
You're right. That felt natural.
It did. Now, here's the important part. You don't have to say everything at once.
What do you mean?
I mean, you pick what fits the situation. At a party, at a new job, in an English class, you choose different things to say.
Oh, so I'm not giving my whole life story every time.
No, that would be too much.
Good, because I was getting tired just thinking about it.
Okay, let's keep practicing. What else can we talk about? How about what you do?
You mean my job?
Yes, or if you're a student, what you study.
Okay, let me try. Sarah, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
Oh, that's a great job. Do you like teaching?
I love it. It's so much fun to help people learn. What about you, Mike? What do you do?
I'm a photographer. I take pictures of people and places.
A photographer? That's so cool. Do you travel a lot for your work?
Sometimes, yes. Last month, I went to Japan.
Japan, amazing. I want to go there someday.
You should. It's beautiful.
Okay, stop right there. Look what just happened.
What?
We talked about our jobs and then we kept the conversation going. It wasn't just, I'm a photographer, the end.
Oh, you're right. I added that I went to Japan.
Yes, and that gave me something to talk about. That's the secret. Give people something to ask about.
So it's like I'm helping the conversation continue.
Exactly. You're not just answering. You're making it easy for the other person to talk to you.
I never thought about it like that.
Most people don't, but now you know. All right, what's next? Let's talk about family.
Family? Do I have to talk about my whole family?
No. Keep it simple. Just 1 or 2 sentences.
Okay. Sarah, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 1 sister. Her name is Emma.
Emma, that's a nice name. Is she older or younger?
She's younger. She's 22.
Oh, so she's still young. What does she do?
She's a student. She studies music. She plays the guitar.
Music. That's awesome. Is she good?
Very good. She plays in a band.
Wow, a band. That's so cool.
I know. I'm very proud of her. What about you, Mike? Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have 1 brother. His name is Tom.
Tom. Is he older or younger than you?
He's older. He's 30.
What does he do?
He's a chef. He works in a restaurant in Los Angeles.
A chef. Does he cook for you when you visit?
Always. And the food is delicious.
I'm jealous.
You should come visit. He'll cook for you too.
Deal. Okay, so family. We just kept it short and simple, right?
Right. I didn't tell you everything about my brother, just the important parts.
Exactly. And if someone wants to know more, they'll ask.
That makes it so much easier.
It does. All right, now let's talk about something fun. Hobbies.
Oh, I like this part.
Me too. This is where you show your personality. So, Mike, what do you like to do for fun?
Well, I love taking photos. That's my job and my hobby.
Lucky! You love what you do.
I really do. I also like to play basketball on weekends.
Basketball. Are you good?
I'm okay. I'm not professional, but it's fun.
That's what matters. Do you play with friends?
Yes, every Saturday morning, we have a group.
That sounds great. Exercise and friends. Perfect combination.
It is. What about you, Sarah? What are your hobbies?
I love reading. I read a lot of books.
What kind of books?
I like mystery books, books with secrets and surprises.
Ooh, like detective stories?
Yes, exactly. I love trying to solve the mystery before the end.
That's fun. Do you ever guess correctly?
Sometimes, but not always.
The writers are too smart.
They are. I also like cooking. I try new recipes every week.
Really? What did you cook this week?
I made Thai curry. It was spicy but delicious.
Nice. I love Thai food.
Me too. Okay, so hobbies. This is important. It shows what kind of person you are.
Right, like I'm active because I play basketball.
And I'm adventurous because I try new recipes.
We're learning about each other through our hobbies.
Exactly. Now here's a fun trick. You can also mention what you don't like.
Really? Why?
Because it makes you interesting and it's honest. For example, I love cooking, but I don't like washing the dishes after.
Nobody likes that.
Right? What about you? What's something you don't like?
I love basketball, but I don't like waking up early for it.
But you still do it.
Yes, because I love playing, but waking up at 7 a.m. on Saturday? Not fun.
I understand completely. I'm not a morning person either.
See? Now we have something in common.
Exactly. Okay, let's talk about favorite things, like favorite food.
Oh, this is an easy one.
All right, what's your favorite food, Mike?
Pizza. Definitely pizza.
A classic. What kind of pizza?
Pepperoni pizza. Simple and delicious.
You can't go wrong with pepperoni. Do you have a favorite pizza place?
Yes, there's a small place near my apartment. Best pizza in New York.
That's a big claim. New York has a lot of pizza.
I know, but this one is really good, trust me.
I believe you. What about you, Sarah? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Pasta. What kind?
I love spaghetti with tomato sauce. Classic Italian.
Simple and delicious, like my pepperoni pizza.
Exactly. Sometimes simple is best.
I agree. What about favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the ocean.
Blue is calming. I like it too.
What's your favorite color?
Green, like the trees and grass.
Nature colors. Very peaceful.
Yes, they make me happy. Okay, favorite animal.
Easy. Dogs. I love dogs.
Do you have a dog?
Not right now, but I want one. Maybe next year when I have more time.
What kind of dog do you want?
A golden retriever. They're so friendly and happy.
They are. What about you, Sarah? Favorite animal?
Cats. I love cats.
Oh, a cat person. Do you have a cat?
Yes. Her name is Mimi.
Mimi. What does she look like?
She's gray and white. And very lazy. She sleeps all day.
That sounds like a cat.
It's true, but I love her.
Of course. Okay, so we're like opposites, dog person and cat person.
But that's okay. Differences are interesting.
Very true. All right, let's put it all together now. We've practiced name, where you're from, where you live, your job, family, hobbies, favorite things. That's a lot.
It is, but we don't say all of this every time, right?
Correct. You choose based on the situation.
Can you give an example?
Sure. At a job interview, you might say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a teacher with 5 years of experience. I love helping students learn and grow."
professional and clear.
Exactly. But at a party, you might say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I just moved here from Canada. I love trying new restaurants. Do you know any good places?"
Oh, that's more casual and friendly.
Yes, same person, different situation, different answer.
That makes sense. What about in an English class?
In class, you might say, "Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from Canada. I'm learning English because I want to travel more."
That tells the teacher your goal.
Exactly. See? You adjust.
I get it now. It's not one perfect answer. It changes.
Yes, and one more thing. Don't worry about perfect English.
Really?
Really, if you make a small mistake, it's okay. People will understand you.
That makes me feel better.
Good. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect.
Communicate, not perfect. I like that.
Me too. All right, let's do one final practice. I'll be at a coffee shop, and I'll ask you to tell me about yourself. Ready?
Ready.
Hi there. I haven't seen you here before. Are you new?
Hi. Yes, I just moved to this neighborhood last week.
Oh, welcome. Where did you move from?
Thank you. I moved from Boston.
Boston. That's a nice city. What brings you here?
I got a new job. I'm a teacher now at the school down the street.
A teacher. That's wonderful. What do you teach?
I teach science to middle school students.
That sounds fun. Do you like it so far?
I love it. The students are very curious and ask great questions.
That's the best part of teaching. Well, welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you.
Perfect. See how natural that was?
It really was. I didn't even think about it.
That's the goal. When you practice, it becomes natural.
I feel so much more confident now.
Excellent. That's what we wanted. Okay, everyone. Now it's your turn to practice.
Yes, go to the comments below and introduce yourself.
Write 1 or 2 sentences. Tell us your name, where you're from, and one thing you love.
For example, my name is Mike. I'm from the United States. I love pizza.
Or, my name is Sarah. I'm from Canada. I love reading mystery books.
Simple, right? We want to meet you.
Yes, and it's great practice for you. Plus, you can see how other learners introduce themselves.
That's a great way to learn from each other.
Absolutely. All right, before we go, if this was helpful, please subscribe to Miss English Daily.
We make content like this all the time to help you learn English in a fun, easy way.
And hit the like button. It really helps us reach more learners like you.
We want to help as many people as possible.
We really do. All right, I think that's our time for today.
This was great, Sarah.
It really was. Thanks for joining me today, Mike.
Always happy to be here.
All right, everyone. Remember, next time someone says, "Tell me about yourself," you know what to do. Keep it simple, be yourself, and don't worry about being perfect. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.